5-minute start now. How's it going, everyone? I hope you had an awesome week. Happy Friday. I'm sorry I'm posting this video a little bit late. It's just been a really busy week and I've been working on some very exciting projects that I'll fill you guys in later. But today I just wanted to talk about a topic and also give you guys an update on what I'm doing with this series and kind of the next couple of episodes and what's going on there. So first I want to talk about topics for today. So I wanted to share with you a little bit more about analytics. So I mentioned analytics in my previous videos of inbound marketing, and I wanted to really define what that means, what I mean about when I say analytics, and share a little bit of the basics on that topic. So what analytics am I talking about to improve your digital marketing? I'm talking about the web interactions or web analytics that you can gather using tools like Google Analytics, Kissmetrics, Crazy Egg, and a bunch of other products that are out there. So what they do is they give you some insight into how people are interacting with your website. So it shows you page views with users, clicks, it shows you their bounce rate on certain pages. These tools give you a full flow of how this person interacted with your website. So what this is good for is for you to be able to understand how people are interacting with your website, how they're visiting, where they're coming from, how they're using each page, and what content they're reading, and how much time they're actually spending on it. The reason this is important for you is that you can then use this information to be able to improve your website and present more of the things that your target audience seems to be interested in. So tools like Google Analytics and Kissmetrics and Crazy Egg are really focused on gathering data and presenting them to you in a certain way. So I always recommend people start with Google Analytics. The reason is because it is the most generic and the most broad data collection tool out there. Other tools are built to be a little bit more specific to present information in a way for you to sell a particular type of product or exercise a certain marketing strategy. But with Google Analytics, it's kind of a vanilla data collection tool, analytics tool, and it lets you gather a bunch of data and then use their reports and their dashboards to be able to extract the information that you want. So let's see. So I was just saying that some of the data types that it saves for you is like page views, it does user flows, it finds what browser people are visiting from, what resolution computers, what devices they're visiting from. So it really gives you an insight of how people are visiting your website, what they're actually doing on it, and it really tells you the story between when you know someone comes to your website and what happens during a sale. And it really opens this black box in between which you should use to improve your messaging, improve your marketing, and be able to hopefully close sales a lot quicker and more effectively. Let's see. So these tools are pretty easy to install. What you usually do is they give you a JavaScript or a little bit of code that you have to place on every single page of your website. What this code includes is ID for your website and ID for your customer information for displaying all your data in your analytics dashboard. So the good thing about these tools is that it's very light on your website. It doesn't require a lot of coding. It doesn't slow your website down, but it also gives you a lot of information just as a plug-and-play option. Further along in strategies that we'll talk about later, Google Analytics lets you also set up specific conversions. If you have specific actions that you want people to do in a specific order, you can create conversion flows, which you can monitor and see how people are, if people are actually following that flow that you've defined for them, how many people are dropping off at which step, and what you can do to optimize that certain step to continue people going down this flow. So that's pretty much it that I wanted to share, kind of the basics. We will definitely go over more data strategies, more analytics strategies to improve your digital marketing in the future. But for now, I just wanted to do that basic overview. Great. Well, that was 5 minutes. So I wanted to talk to you guys or share a little bit what I'm working on for this video series. This is episode 10, which I'm super excited about, and I'm glad you guys have stayed here throughout this journey. And I wanted to share that I will not be posting videos for a little bit of time, but the reason is I'm going to be using some of the feedback that I've gotten from you guys in person and online. And if you have any more feedback, of course, the comment box is below and the subscribe button is on top. Share with people you know who might be interested in this. So I'm going to be starting a kind of a new format, make some improvements, and hopefully start shooting 5 minutes with Fahd very soon. So I hope you guys stay tuned for that, and hope you guys enjoyed this video. So have a great weekend, and I'll see you guys next time.